Hello everyone. Welcome back to Health Options 101. Today, we're diving into something that's become super popular lately, intermittent fasting. You've probably heard about it as a weight loss tool, but there are some surprising benefits you might not know about. Let's get into it. First off, intermittent fasting isn't just about cutting calories. One of the biggest benefits is cellular repair. When you fast, your body goes into a process called autophagy. This is basically your cells cleaning out damaged components, making room for healthier ones. It's like spring cleaning for your body. Next up, better brain function. During fasting, your body increases the production of a hormone called BDNF, or brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This hormone is like a growth booster for your brain cells, helping improve memory, learning, and even your mood. So, if you've been feeling a bit foggy lately, fasting might actually help sharpen your focus. Now, here's something really cool. Fasting could extend your lifespan. Studies on animals have shown that intermittent fasting may help activate certain genes linked to longevity. It's not a magic pill, but this natural process could give your cells a better chance at long-term health. And let's not forget about inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to tons of health problems, from heart disease to arthritis. Fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation levels, which can help protect you from those long-term risks. Less inflammation, better health. Finally, intermittent fasting helps with something many of us struggle with: insulin sensitivity. This means your body becomes better at using insulin to lower blood sugar levels, which is a huge win for preventing type 2 diabetes and managing your weight. So, while weight loss might get all the hype, intermittent fasting offers way more benefits beneath the surface. It's not just about shrinking your waistline. It's about boosting brain function, repairing cells, reducing inflammation, and maybe even living longer. But remember, fasting isn't for everyone. Always check with a healthcare provider before jumping in, especially if you have underlying health conditions. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more health tips from Health Options 101. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.